Hello everyone, my name is Arshia, and today I'm going to show you what our Gmail Manager flow is capable of. So this flow has one singular agent and some tools that allows it to manage your Gmail account. So for example, here we can say list all the emails in my inbox, and it should be able to fetch a full list of all the emails you have in your inbox. It's going to go based off of the most recent because it's going to be limited by its tokens. So if you were to increase the token to a much higher amount, it would give you more emails, but it would cost more. So it's using the get emails by ID Gmail tool, and there it is. It gave me a list of all the emails I have in my inbox at the moment. So these 5 emails, and for example, I can choose one of them, like decision notification, or maybe this one, vacation request approved for Amir in law department. So we can say label this email as important. And now it's going to use, first of all, it's going to use the search tool to find the email. And there it is. I have found the email ID now. I will add the important label to this email. The email with the subject, blah, 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 has been labeled as important as requested. So if we were to go to our Gmail now and open our important, we can see that the vacation request approved Amir is now here in our importance tab. So the other tools that we can use is obviously search email. So you can search for a specific email you've received in the past few, whatever. Like if you increase the token, it can be a very old email. And then it will find the ID of that email, and then it will use this find email by ID tool and extract its content. You're also able to send emails. And let me show you how you can actually use this flow. So first thing first, you got to go to the integrations tab and integrate Gmail. So this is the same as any other Google account. So you just press on the integrate button, integrate to Google Sheets, and then you choose your account and log into your Google account. And like that, you are able to integrate your Gmail with the FlowHunt services. And then next off, you can go to Flow Library and search for Gmail. And here you have Gmail Manager Flow, which is the one that I just showed you. So you can just click on the Add to My Flows and then Add to My Flows on the top right, and you'll be able to edit the flow as you please. That is all for today. If you have any questions about this flow, please let us know. Or if you have any custom flows that you would like to see in FlowHunt, also let us know in the comments.